Hey my friend, how's it going? On behalf of Tasche, I want to invite you to the pre-launch of VideoRobot, the most powerful and feature-packed video creation software ever developed. VideoRobot is brought to you by Todd and Ponna. And, if you've purchased any of their other video products in the past, you know their software is top-notch. VideoRobot includes the best features of their previous video softwares, plus additional features and functionality, making it the last software for video creation you'll ever buy. If you'd like to learn about all the things VideoRobot can do, and maybe even win a free copy of the software, register for the pre-launch webinar via the form on this page, after my video is finished. By the way, the video you are watching right now, was made with VideoRobot. VideoRobot is being released March 8, 2017 at 11 a.m. Eastern, but will be available for early bird release on the evening of March 7. All the details will be available on the webinar. Don't wait around on this. Get registered for the pre-launch webinar now.